Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video. We'll call this repair and diagnostics. We'll bring up what we might call a taboo subject here. Your steamer is going to break. I've said that in other videos. It's a fact. Maybe my competitors don't want to address this, but if you're a guy that's using a steamer every single day, 8 hours a day, all week long, the machine is under constant stress. No matter how well made the machine is, something's going to break. Now, just like a car or any other appliance, things have to work in conjunction with each other. So when one thing fails, it could shut the whole machine down. And then it's kind of that, oh crap moment where your machine's just broken and now what do you do about it? Well, obviously, you want to have a plan B. Now, the plan B is up to you, whether it's a backup machine of ours, a backup machine of a cheaper brand that you can just work on as you need to when your machine breaks. But when the machine breaks, it's not catastrophic. It's certainly not catastrophic. Our machine is as serviceable or more serviceable than I think anybody's out there. And I'm the only one that really shows you the guts of the machine. So when we look at this, and we've done other videos on identifying the parts and how the machine actually works, and we'll do another video on how the machine works and what's supposed to happen with the lights. But we've made this machine serviceable. So when we talk about the way we build the body on this machine, the lid goes here, we pop the lid off, we take the rest of the body off, we tilt it like this. It gets us to every single component inside the machine. Now, I'm extremely good, and I've explained this in other videos, at diagnosing what's going on with the machine. You might be able to do this yourself based on the other videos that we have out there, but if you call me or email me with the symptoms, I'm 99% sure that with a good explanation and me asking you the right questions, we're going to figure out what's going on with the machine. And the good news is that I stock every single part. If it's not under warranty, they're not that expensive as far as parts go, and we'll get the machine fixed quickly. So even if the machine needs to be shipped back to me, if you're not very mechanically inclined, there's never a machine that's on my bench for more than a couple of hours, and I figure it out in 10 minutes. Once the machine is here and I experience the problem that you're having, I can figure it out in 10 minutes. I have all the parts in stock. So the machine is going to break at some point. If you use it every single day, and if you don't maintain it, it's going to break even quicker. So there's things that are going to go wrong with the machine, and yes, it might not allow you to work that day, but we will be able to get it fixed. And hopefully that's another reason why you're going to choose Chief Steamer over one of my competitors.